Amazon Elastic Container Service, Amazon ECS Overview. Container Service, Amazon ECS Overview. Amazon ECS is a fully managed, highly scalable, and high-performance container orchestration service. You can use it to run, stop, manage, and scale containerized applications across availability zones, without the complexity of managing a control plane or nodes. Amazon ECS supports Docker, as well as Windows containers. For more control over your infrastructure, you can run your container workloads on a cluster of Amazon EC2 instances. Alternatively, you can choose to launch your containers on AWS Fargate, a serverless compute engine. In addition, Amazon ECS Anywhere enables you to run applications in both the cloud and on-premise environment. When you require particularly low latencies to on-premises systems, you can use Amazon ECS on AWS Outposts. Here on ECS. To prepare your application to run on Amazon ECS, you need to create a task definition. The task definition is a text file in JSON format. It describes how one or more containers should launch. For example, it specifies the container image, which launch type to use, which ports should be opened for your application, and what data volumes should be used with the containers in the task. A task is an instance of a task definition. Tasks are ideal for batch processing jobs, where you can perform work and then stop. If you want to maintain a specified number of tasks running simultaneously, such as for long-running tasks and applications, you can launch a service. The Amazon ECS Service Scheduler will launch another task instance to replace any failed or stopped tasks, so that the desired number of tasks in the service can always be maintained. An Amazon ECS cluster is a logical grouping of tasks or services. After a cluster is up and running, you can run tasks or services within the cluster to launch your containerized applications. Amazon ECS enables you to grow from a single Docker container to managing your entire enterprise application portfolio. You can also launch thousands of containers across the cloud using your preferred continuous integration and delivery, CI/CD, and automation tools. Save on compute costs. Amazon ECS enables you to save up to 50% on compute costs with autonomous provisioning, auto-scaling, and pay-as-you-go pricing. There is no additional charge for Amazon ECS. Seamless AWS integration. Amazon ECS offers seamless AWS integration with AWS management and governance solutions, standardized for compliance with virtually every regulatory agency around the globe. For example, it is integrated with many familiar AWS services such as Elastic Load Balancing, EBS Volumes, Amazon Virtual Private Cloud, Amazon VPC, AWS IAM, AWS Code Suite, AWS Cloud Map, and AWS App Mesh. Now, let's go through some of the key components of Amazon